Hello, my name is David. I am known throughout the investment community as Chasing Stars. On behalf of Investors Hangout LLC, I'm very proud to announce the official launch of InvestorsHangout.com. InvestorsHangout.com has been in design and development for the last 7 to 8 months. I built this site and designed this site with one thing in mind: simplicity. Simplicity is the best way to go, especially in the investments. I spent many times and many hours teaching people and helping people with charts, video charts, and so on how to learn the basics of them and to what to look for as far as the basics into a company and what to look for, either good or bad. And so as I went on, I decided that it was my time to go ahead and make my own sort of community, to devote my time to help others. On that process of doing this, I came to a point where I had to decide which way I was going to go. It was either take this website extremely serious or go ahead and continue trading. Well, I went ahead and decided to take this website completely serious and give up trading. That being said, everybody should know that no admins or owners of this website neither trade or short any stocks, especially here involved with this site. So as we go forward here, I'm going to show you the basics of how to use this website to make sure it's the best for you guys. It's easy navigation. I'm going to go ahead and explain that to you. The first thing you're going to do when you come to InvestorsHangout.com is go up here and click registration. Once you go there, you're going to see an option to put in your alias, your name, your email address, and password. Make sure you put in a very valid email address, otherwise you'll have problems logging in and whatnot. So once you go ahead and register, check your email and you will have an activation link. Once you go ahead and activate your account, you will be able to use the website. Every single account starts off as free. You have 15 posts per day, unlimited private messages. Now with the whole posting system, if you feel that you want more posts, simply go ahead and contact me, IH Admin, and I'll go ahead and look over your account. And once I approve it, I will give you a premium account, which is still free, but is unlimited posts of the website. The reason why I started off with 15 posts per day is so people can get used to it and follow the rules before I go ahead and activate the accounts fully. So like I said, go ahead and register. You're going to put your alias here, your password here, click remember me so it always remembers you in the browser, and then we're going to go ahead and click login. Okay, now that we're logged into the home page, you're going to go ahead and see this navigation bar up here. You got home, mailbox, boards, favorites, what's hot, settings, and log out. You're going to have a search option right here. All you have to do is put the ticker that you're looking for in there and click go, and it will pull up a list. I'm going to go ahead and put in Google here. I'm going to click go. Okay, there's Google's board. If I go ahead and click on that, you're going to see Google's board now show up. There's no post yet on this board, so you're not going to be able to see it in the full there. So we're going to go ahead and start off with that, with the search bar. The next thing that I'm going to go ahead and point out here is the home page. When we look at this home page, you're going to see up here the advertisement spots. Promoters or whatnot can have their ticker up here to display to everybody what's hot or whatnot. So we can go ahead and get a ticker up there. And there's also company banners up there right now that's scrolling through there. There is no max limit. I like to keep it organized and keep it definitely professional. So you can see it will definitely scroll through many different companies and tickers as you visit the website. Down here, you're going to see latest market news. Latest market news is obviously the latest market news. Over here to the left, you're going to see the top 10 most active stock boards, the top 10 most active user boards, the top 5 most active members, the top newest members, top 5 newest members, and you're going to see the top 5 newest boards. Over here, you're going to see advertisements. Down here, you're going to see advertisements, and over here, you're going to go ahead and see Investors Hangout videos. And here, you can upload from your profile, and we'll get to that a little bit later. And obviously, the footer. Down here, I really encourage anybody before you use this website to read the terms and conditions and a disclaimer before you go ahead and use this site. Okay, so now that we got that said, let's go ahead and move to the mailbox. Mailbox is set up very simple. You'll go ahead when you get a PM or private message or a public reply, you will see a number up here next to your mailbox to indicate exactly what you have in there. Once you go ahead and visit your mailbox, you'll be able to see which one has been read or not. There will be an envelope icon right next to it. So as soon as you click that, that number will go down. So if you've got 4 in here, 4 unread messages with 4 icons next to it, as soon as you click that message and read it, it's going to go ahead and mark it as read, and that mailbox number will go down. but it will be in here, and you can go ahead and delete it over here. Just mark it and click remove. Now, once you go ahead and send or receive any kind of mail, it's always archived into the database here. So inbox and outbox will always be there, kept archive, and folder. Kept archive is going to be messages that you keep, but we'll go ahead and get through that here as we move forward. The next thing we're going to go ahead and take a look at is the board setup. Once we go ahead and click there, you're going to have the option to create your own board. And as we're looking at the screen now, I'm going to walk through here so you understand. If you are making a user board, if you want your own board, IH, I'm going to go ahead and just put this in here. IH Hangout. That's the name of your board that you want it to be. So just put in the name of your board. You will not need a ticker if it's not a company. Down here, you're going to have to put in your description, and make sure if you make a user board, you do go ahead and put it in the Hangout. It says it right here, select the Hangout category for user boards. Down here, as soon as you're done, you're going to want to publish it. So go ahead and select publish, and then click create. So we're going to go ahead and go back to the boards here. I'm going to show you a little bit about the navigation. As we said, you can go up here, put in any ticker symbol that you want, and click go. Over here is the welcome, the Investors Hangout. You've got the questions, and you've got the timeout. Now, if we go back there, you're going to see all the stock boards. If you go ahead and click on the OTC, BB, and Pinks, you're going to go ahead and see we have 11,000 companies on here with a chart and quote on that page. So we can go ahead and see all of them. You can go ahead and select R. It'll bring you to all the R companies as I just did. So the same thing with the boards is down here with the Hangout and private boards. I do offer a feature on this site as private boards. Over here, you will not be able to access any of those boards unless you're invited by the board mod. So this is the whole basics of the boards. Next is favorites. If we go ahead and click on favorites, we're going to go ahead and see the boards that I'm following here. Now, what I did here is got pretty creative in exactly how I decided to set this up. If you click this number over here and view all the posts of that board, it will go ahead and bring up a view all posts, which you'll learn a little bit about that here shortly. Over here, you're going to see these pencil icons. The reason for that is because you can go ahead and click it and say anything you would like about this. I'm going to go ahead and create. Okay, now I went ahead and put hello all there. As soon as I put my mouse over that, it pops out hello all. The reason why I put this in there, it was definitely suggested that people have a hard time knowing and following exactly why they're following a board or a member. So this option is the same under members. So you know that, so you can go ahead and put a note next anything, and you know exactly the reason why. Same thing over here, you can go ahead and put the reason why you're following somebody there. I like this guy, he has good picks, whatever it might be, you can go ahead and put that there. Next thing I'm going to go ahead and show you is the notes section. You can make a note and go ahead and put anything you want on there, delete it at any time, but if you want to keep track of something or whatnot, you have it all right here. The next thing that I have is the watch list. The watch list is something that I definitely decided that I really wanted on this site. And I went ahead and put it through here. What I'm going to do is go ahead and delete this. You can go ahead and delete them all. I have some in here just for beta testing as I used before. Go ahead and delete that one. And then I'm going to delete this last one to show you. So we're going to go ahead and put Google in here. And as soon as you go ahead and enter that and click Add Ticker, there is your Google chart. So just one click of a button, you go to favorites and then watch list, and there's all your charts. You can have up to 10 charts on here, anywhere from today up to 10 years ago. You go ahead and click hide there if you don't want to see them all, and it will stay hidden until you go ahead and show it again. The next thing I went ahead and added was a calculator. So you can go ahead and put in any number you want, and there you go. Get your number. So your calculator, everything you need is right here. You got your watch list, you got your calculator, and whatnot. The next thing I'm going to do is go down here to the what's hot. What's hot? Go ahead and take a look at here. Basically, this starts off with the post author, the post board, the post description, the post created. Go ahead and see here. It's pretty explanatory. You see the user's name, the board they're posted on, and the basics of the beginning of their posts. And over here, you see the time and date that it was posted. Over here, on the most posted, this resets it every night at midnight on Eastern Time. This will all reset to 0. So this way you can follow the most posted boards for that day. The most followed, you go ahead and check that out. You'll be able to see all the single people, all the members of the site, and how many people they have following them. Over here on top boards is all the boards with the most board marks, and we'll show you how that works here shortly. Over here next is the hot tickers. The hot tickers basically when you go ahead and make a post with a dollar sign before your ticker, it will automatically register to here. So this way you can go ahead and see, okay, this company has been mentioned 15 times or one time right now in one post. So when you go ahead and click that board, it'll bring you right to that board. Newest boards is pretty much obviously it. These are all the newest boards as they come. We've got right now a total of 18,979 boards right now on the site. So moving on, we're going to go ahead to our settings. We can go ahead and see that my account ID, my account login, my alias, my password, you can go ahead and change that at any time. Shows you that I have unlimited posts. I've got 14 person marks and so on. It's pretty self-explanatory. Signature, you can change around your signature. If you click on my board mail, it'll show you exactly what board's mail you are signed up for right now. I'm going to go ahead and show you my remove posts. You can go ahead and click on there. It shows you which posts have been deleted. Now over here for your profile, if you click on edit, you can go ahead and put anything in here. Make sure you do not change your email address because the system will definitely give you problems with the login. So you want to definitely have your active email address up there at all times. Nobody sees that but yourself. So basically with this stuff, you can edit, you can make any title you want. You can put a disclaimer down here as I have. Investors Hangout LLC nor its owners buy or short any stock, period. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and click back to settings and click view. Now I'm going to view my profile. This is exactly what my profile looks like. I'm a premium member with unlimited posts. I've got 14 posts or 14 person marks. I've got a total of 26 posts and I'm moderating 3 boards. Now you can go ahead and click on total post and it'll show you all the posts, the board name, post by Chasing Stars, and you're able to do this on every single user of the website. You can go ahead and visit there. Same thing with boards posted on. Shows Investors Hangout. I've posted 15 times on there. Boards moderated. Same thing, goes ahead and brings you here. Shows you exactly what boards I'm moderating, and down here boards assisting. All right, so we've covered the basics here. Now I'm going to go ahead and bring us back on the home here. We're going to visit my board, of course, the Investors Hangout. So what you're seeing right here is the moderator view with the X and the sticky mark. What this does, if you click that right there, it automatically puts that post in the sticky. Over here, it gives you an option to go ahead and delete it. And if you go ahead and delete that post, you got to put your reason in there, or you can click ban user, and the ban user will request that the admin looks into that user that keeps posting off-topic posts and can go ahead and ban that user from that board only. So manage moderator. You can go ahead and put in anybody you want as a moderator or assistant mod. All you got to do is find their name, Chasing Stars. There we go. Just simply put in CH, pulled it up, add as assistant. There he is. He's up there as an assistant. I go ahead and type that in again. He's right there, and I want to remove him. Remove as assistant. It's very simple to use. Now he's no longer assistant. Now over here you see Chasing Stars up here. Now once I go ahead and show you a few more things here, I'm going to pull myself off of that board so you can get an idea of what it looks like. So over here, if we go ahead and click send board mail, you'll be able to see all the people that are chose to join your board mail, and you can select them, put in the subject and the message, and go ahead and click send mail. Now that send mail sends directly to that person's registered email address. So that's a very, very nice feature. And how you join that is go ahead and click show board information up here, which shows you all the information on the company or board. As soon as I click sign up for board mail, there I am. I'm signed up, and okay. So back. I'm sorry about that. I'm going to go ahead and click send board mail. I'm actually the moderator, so I will not see that. But over here, I'm going to go ahead back here and remove myself now. Remove mod. Okay, now I'm no longer a mod. Okay, now you see board mod, add me as mod. Now I'm back in regular view, no stickies, no X marks, no nothing. This is what you're going to see as a regular user of the site. You're just going to go ahead and see this, all the posts. You can go ahead and create posts or whatnot. A very, very good feature that was added onto this this system was view all posts. Very easy. All you got to do is, like I said, over here, go back, click view all posts. Once you go ahead and click that, you're going to go ahead and pull up with the most recent on top. You'll be able to read every single post on that board. We've got some great charts here by Pittsburgh Chillins, definitely doing a great job with the charts, and we can see that here. And shows you up to 50 of the most recent. You can go ahead down to the bottom and scroll back. So if you want to go to the board and simply read a bunch of posts or what's all the buzz about, all you got to do is click one button and you can see many different things at once. So instead of going through it, but you can also go ahead and click on any post here, and once you're there you can go ahead and previous post, and it will bring you back to the previous post, the next, and whatnot. Up here you'll have an option to post a new message or report. All you do is click that report once and it reports it to the admin to review that post and see exactly why you reported it. Same thing over here, you go back to board, public reply to that, private reply that goes to that person's inbox. If you click on view replies, it brings up another box that shows you all the replies to that actual post. So it's very simple to use. Go ahead and back to board. Here we are back to the board. Go ahead and create a new post. Here's your posting box. Very simple to use. You go ahead and type in anything you want, whatever. And if you want, you can go ahead and bold it, italic it, underline it, whatever. So as soon as you post that post right there, it will go ahead and bring it onto the board just saying hello. In order to see that, you have to go ahead and click it. This way all the boards are not all bolded, underlined, whatever. It's nice, clean layout. In order to see any special effects users may have done to their post, you got to go ahead and click it to read it, which in my opinion was definitely a good idea on my part. So if we go ahead and click me as mod, there we go. It disappeared. That sent it to the IH admin's mailbox, and I will go ahead and review that and go ahead and either reject it or go ahead and accept it, depending on the person's history of moderating boards and following the board's rules and whatnot. So again, this is InvestorsHangout.com. David here. You guys have any questions at all, please feel free to go ahead and contact me at the bottom of the page. You can go ahead and simply down here, contact us, fill it out, send me a message if you guys have any problem logging in. If you're interested in having any kind of ads put on the site, go ahead and contact me. We'll go from there. So again, you guys take care. I look forward to seeing you on this website. Going to keep it positive. A lot of positive people on here already, and definitely looking forward to what it comes about. So you guys take care.